Okay, y'all, grab 3 nesting boxes from the Dollar Tree. Go ahead and remove the strings. Give them 2 coats of white chalk paint. Take Tullen tower blocks, glue them to the top edge right there. 4 to 6 per box, whatever you think will fit to have something substantial to glue it with. Draw him some cute little eyes and cut out some orange burlap for a little carrot nose. Make him a cute little mouth. I glued on some black beads, or buttons, not beads. And then we're going to hot glue his head on. He needs his head. And then I'm going to take a scarf from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to wrap it around his neck. I'm going to cut it in half. And I'm going to tie it to where the fringes is on the outside. And then I'm going to take the rest of the scarf. I'm going to cut the fringes off of it. We're going to hot glue that together. And I'm going to take the fringes and I'm going to roll them up. And I'm going to hot glue them together. And you want to stick them on the inside of the hat the way it is, but with the fringes aiming down. And then just bunch up the rest of the hat. Take a rubber band, put it together. Put him in it, flop it on his head, turn him around, hot glue it, and there you go. You got a cute little snowman you might want to, glue his hat on so it don't fall off. To sit by your Christmas tree this Christmas. Look how cute he is. I know, right? Anyway, check me out on YouTube, Kathy Jo DIYs. Y'all have a Merry Christmas. Bye.